Thanks to the sponsor of the video. If you somehow haven't heard of Next PCB, they're a major PCB manufacturer that also offer PCB assembly, all at super reasonable prices. If you're new to Next PCB and sign up using the link in the description, you also get a bunch of new customer coupons. I've used them for both hobby and professional projects for years and I've always been happy with their services. You can also use free Gerber file viewer and upload the Gerber file and quote a PCB according to your specifications. Just add to cart and proceed to pay.